Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I got some Happy Mail I wanted to show you. So, let me start with this one. Oh, look at the package, it's really cool looking. So, let me show you what I got. This came all the way from Reggie, or J-Hook Crochet. I purchased it. So, let me get everything out of the package. So I got 2 tea bags. They're both the same. It's a bag of our Keep Calm tea. There it is. I can't wait to try this. Oh, she included this lovely card. You see the gold on it. It's really pretty. Very pretty card. And I got these free stitch markers. Hold them up so you can actually read them. Faith, Dream, Trust, Inspire. Those were free. And I got these stitch markers for free. And you can see they have different signs on them. They're really pretty. I like those. And the ones I purchased, these are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Getting them all turned around so you can see them all. So, we have these 3 first. They are super cute. And then, let me move these 2 over. Get these ones. Then I got these, and then these 2. These are so super cute. They just crack me up. I love them. They are so super cute. Aren't they adorable? So I got those. And then, I gotta get them all the way right so I can pull them out and show these to you. Then I got these. These are super creepy cute. And then I got these ones. Here we go. They are super creepy cute. I love them. You can see the skulls on them all. And then there's this one. Look at the stocking. That's so adorable. And then the snowman. And look on the little hat. I love that. So I got these. These all came from J-Hook Crochet. You know who J-Hook is. Does Yarniversity every week. So all this came from J-Hook. So I love them. I absolutely think they're adorable. So those are fantastic. And then I got this right here from Love Stitches All. As you can see, it's a resin crochet hook. And I love, love, love this. If I can get it out. So the first thing that came in the box, right on top, was a stitch marker. Let me hold the black behind it so you can actually see it. I got this stitch marker. And look how pretty that is. It's kind of like opal. You can kind of see it there. So I got that stitch marker, and that's from Love Stitches All. And I'll show you the cards so you know where they are. And it's from lovestitchesall.com. Okay. And then I got this beautiful crochet hook. And I chose an 8mm crochet hook. And it is gorgeous. Look at the eggs in there. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous hook. Just gorgeous. And I guess I should tell you, the name of the hook is called Easter Bunny, and the hook style is called a love handle. And that is just stunning and beautiful. Absolutely. So I got an 8mm hook, which is an L hook. And this is just stunning. Look at the, I don't know if I wanted you to be able to see the detail of what's in there. They're eggs. They're Easter eggs. Aren't they cute? Just absolutely stunning. And it feels really good in my hand. I have plenty of room for my thumb since I crochet by feel. I absolutely love this. It's just beautiful and stunning. So, I hope you enjoyed seeing my happy mail. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.